Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 21 Clearview Drive here in Stafford Springs, Connecticut.
This well cared for 2-bedroom raised ranch home has over 1,300 square feet of living space. Let's go take a look.
From the kitchen and formal dining room to the large living room, there's plenty of space for entertaining.
With 2 bedrooms and a full bath, this house has been lovingly cared for by the same family for over 39 years.
Downstairs we find a bonus room with bar, pellet stove, laundry room, office, and cedar closet.
Outside features plenty of privacy, from an expansive double deck, 2 sheds, 2-car garage, brand new septic system, and so much more.
We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 21 Clearview Drive here in Stafford Springs, Connecticut. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at the Weingarten team, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you. Oh, we'll see.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not bad. I did make it big this time. Did I say that?
Yeah,
Is that weird?
Yeah,
Let's just do it again.
Was that like a plie or something?
I know,
Did
right?
I? Curtsy?
Yeah.
You're not going to believe this. Had to add it in there.
You are watching a master at work.
What are you, like opinionated now? Like you're coming at me?